Welcome to the language world. Today we are learning 25 most common verbs. Let's get started. To understand.
理解する
To speak.
話す
To listen.
聞く
To play.
遊ぶ
To start.
始める
To show.
見せる
To live.
住む
To like.
好む
To love.
愛する
To change.
変わる
To meet.
会う
To learn.
学ぶ
To believe.
信じる
To run.
走る
To help.
助ける
To watch.
見る
To wait.
待つ
To remember.
覚える
To stay.
止まる
To buy.
買う
To sell.
売る
To pay.
払う
To lose.
失う
To win.
勝つ
To create.
作る
Quiz time.
話す話す買う買う遊ぶ遊ぶ愛する愛する学ぶ学ぶ理解する理解する
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.